Students, starting with the next lesson, unit number 6 and lesson number 2, that is your organizing ABAP developments. So in this lesson, you will learn about ABAP developments, how we can organize these ABAP developments. So let us start, and this is the first topic, that is transporting development objects. Generally, we have two systems, that is called, first one is development system and second is production system. Development system generally deals with the developing some projects. So all the development projects are carried out in the development systems. The project manager start the development project by creating the change request. So this is your change request, which includes the name of the assigned employee in the transport organizer. The transport organizer then creates a task for the each project employee in the change request. The employee who has to create or edit the development object assign this to the change request and is entered into the task of the employee. The development objects that are edited or created in a project are then transported to the subsequent system, and that system is called production systems. So on the project completion, the development object that were edited or created are transported to the subsequent system, and that system is called production system. So you can see that at the development system, we can create your number of new developments or revise the already existing developments. And after completion of this project, this change request will be released by the manager, and then it will be transported to the another system, and that is called production systems. So you can see this is an organization of a development project in the change request. So suppose this is a project leader Carson, and these are the teams of this Carson, and its members are itself Carson, BC4000, BC40001, BC40002, BC40003. So these are the teams of this particular project leader Carson, and the Carson is also the member of its team. So this responsibility of project leader is to assign the work to all of these members of this team. So when the project leader will assign a particular task to a particular member, then there must be some request number. So you can see that is your changeable change request we have involved. So the Carson is going to assign the change request. Change request means which member will change the particular project or create the project. So the particular change request will be assigned by the Carson to its team members. So this is your changeable request. So this is changeable. And then transportable. Transportable means after completion of the project, it will be transport, and this is your request number, change request number, and this is your project leader number is there, request is there, request number, and then project leader name is there. Then this is your particular activity, and this is an employee name, and the employee name has the activity number, and this employee is responsible for managing or creating or changing the particular program, and the program name is ZBC40000 flight list. So this particular BC4000 is responsible for changing only to this one project, not to the other projects. So these are the repository object accessed by the employee. Similarly, for these other members, the project leader may assign the particular task. So next you will see how we can create the package. So I will tell you the step-by-step procedure for creating the packages by the practical program.